guys, welcome back to Melinda's Homemaking Life. Today's video is a cozy casserole collaboration hosted by my friend Sammy at Managing the Maze. More about that in a little bit. We are going to be making chicken cobbler. You need a box of Cheddar Bay biscuit mix. You need some type of chicken seasoning. I'm going to use Chick-a-Lick-a-Bam Bam. 1 stick of butter. Chicken broth. I don't have any chicken broth, so I'm going to be using chicken bouillon. 1 can of corn. 1 can of cream of chicken. And then rotisserie chicken. It calls for 2 rotisserie chickens, so I have the white meat of 2 chickens because that's typically what we keep. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get all this opened and get it measured out, and then we're gonna get this put together. My oven is preheating on 350 degrees. So the first thing that we did was we took our stick of butter and we melted it, and now we're going to pour it in the bottom of a 9 by 13 casserole dish. Next, we're gonna add our rotisserie chicken on top of the butter. Next, we're gonna add our Chick-a-Lick-a-Bam Bam to the top of the chicken, or whatever seasoning, chicken seasoning that you want to use. This does have a little bit of spice. The next layer to this casserole is our can of drained corn. I found this recipe on Facebook, so I will make sure to list the full recipe link in the description box below. She does mention that you can add whatever kind of vegetables you like, but in the actual video that she did, she just added corn. Next, I'm gonna add our Cheddar Bay biscuit mix and the flour packet, as well as the milk. Next, I'm gonna pour this mixture all over the top of the casserole. You'll see that it's still lumpy. Next, we're gonna take our chicken broth and we're gonna add our cream of chicken soup. We're gonna pour our broth mixture on top. We are just gonna leave the Cheddar Bay biscuit mix and milk, and now we're gonna add the chicken broth and the cream of chicken soup right on top. Last step is we're gonna get this into our 350 degree oven for 1 hour. My oven tends to run kind of hot, so I'm gonna start checking it at about 50 minutes, and I'll be back to show you what it looks like. Our casserole just came out of the oven. I'm gonna let this rest for a few minutes and cool down, and then we're gonna give it a try. My house smells wonderful, and this crust, I just wanna eat the crust for sure. It looks good, it smells good. I cannot wait to give it a try. Okay guys, this is what's gonna be for dinner tonight at our house, chicken cobbler. It is still pretty hot. I'm not sure if you can see the steam. The liquid is starting to get thicker, and I'm gonna give this a try. I'll be back and let you know what I think. All right guys, it is very, very good. It is very, very good. I'm going to try a chicken pot pie with this crust. It is so good, y'all. So don't forget, I'm going to put the Facebook post where I got this recipe in the description box so that you have all of the measurements. All right, guys, now that dinner's done, it's time to get our kitchen cleaned up as part of my nightly routine before I go to bed. It drives me crazy if I go to bed with a dirty kitchen. I'm gonna start out by getting my counters and my stovetop clean, and then wash up just a few dishes instead of throwing them in the dishwasher. While I had some time cleaning, I wanted to talk to you a little bit about today's collab. Today's
Cozy Casserole collab is hosted by Sammy from Managing the Maze. She has a great channel. She does lots of cooking motivation. She does wonderful recipes. She has what's for dinner videos. She has day in the life videos. Whenever I watch Sammy's channel, it's a wholesome, fun-loving channel, and you can tell that she is very much dedicated to her family and she loves Jesus. I will have Sammy's channel as well as lots of other YouTube creators who have made cozy casseroles for you. I will have their channels and a playlist in the description box below. You guys have to check out the playlist. The YouTube creators in this collab are amazing. They are great cooks, they are great motivators, and I just know that you will love it. If you are new to Melinda's Homemaking Life, thank you so much for joining me today, and I appreciate you watching the video this far. A little bit about Melinda's Homemaking Life. We have lots of cleaning motivation. We have clean with me videos, power hours, laundry motivation, nighttime routines such as this. We have some cooking as well. We would love to have you come on over, join my YouTube family for tons of positive motivation.
I hoped we were gonna make it. He promised we would find the time, dreaming for eternity, creating perfect memories. Yeah, we hoped we were gonna make it. Little did I know that.
All right, guys, we're coming to the end of this video. I just have to get my sink cleaned out and give the counter a good clean. I want to thank you so much for following along today, as well as remind you to visit Sammy's channel and the creators playlist in the description box below. Most importantly, don't forget, Jesus loves you. I hope to see you in the next one.